Hi folks! This week we're going to make a popsicle. And in your bag there is a piece of paper that you can cut out the shape of your popsicle. Mine looks a lot like an orange sickle, but they're all different colors. And you cut along the line. There's also a group of shapes that you can pick to glue on your popsicle, and a popsicle stick for your popsicle. So I'm going to take my stick on. Seems like the most summery thing ever is popsicles, and I like orange ones and cherry ones. Here's your popsicle. And the other exciting thing in your bag, glitter. So snip just a tiny edge off of your glitter bag. And then I'm gonna put glue up and down on my popsicle. You can put it any way you want. And try to keep your glitter in one place. Famous last words. And I'm gonna sprinkle some on. Woo! Keep it on the table so you can wipe it up. I'm gonna let it dry for a minute, and if you have a rubber band, you can close your bag. I don't have one here, but I promise I'll put a rubber band on it. And then after it's sat on for a little bit, keeping it on your table so you can clean, I go like this. And there's my shape. And I picked out some dots that I'm gonna glue on. So it looks like I have a polka dotted popsicle. I'm just going to put them around randomly. Put any shapes you want. See, there's all sorts to choose from. I thought dots would be fun. And 2 more. I'm not spending a lot of time making a pattern. You might, and you can let it dry in between. There's my popsicle. Looks lovely and luscious. So I hope you have fun making them, and we'll see you next time.